The number one reason that is holding you back and not giving the life you love. The number one reason that is stopping you from living the life you dream about. Do you know what that is? This is quoted by Michael Jordan. Yes, the great Michael Jordan. He gave us this lesson. And you must follow this, and I'm going to be giving you 3 things that you need to do in order to overcome this fallacy. So what did Michael Jordan say? You have to expect things of yourself before you can do it. So do you expect that you can live the life you love? Of course, many of them, but it's only in dreams. If you want to assess that, here are the 3 things that you need to do. Number 1, research the ins and outs of everything. What did Michael Jordan do? He worked his ass off. He worked every single day. He practiced every single day. Can you put the dedication that he put in? Can you deal with the problems that he has dealt with? If yes. If you can honestly say yes, if you can honestly pour it out from your heart, yes, I can do it, then move on to the second step. Assessing your insecurities and your weaknesses. Many of us were bullied. Many of us were born with unloving parents. Many of us were loved too much. Yes, that is a problem. Many of us were spoiled. Many of us didn't have anything. And what does all of that do? You may be thinking being spoiled is good, but when a child is spoiled, he or she expects everything to be given to him, not by working. And when a child is not spoiled, he doesn't have anything, he thinks that he does not deserve anything. So there's a problem for everyone, from the way they were born to the way that they were raised. So assess your insecurities and your weaknesses. Maybe you were bullied, that's why you have fear of standing out. Because if you stand out, the bullies target you, right? Assess that, accept that. Don't be thinking, oh shit, they put this in me. Don't think that. Accept that. Accept the fact that you were bullied and embrace it. There are movies based on how people use their bullying to propel themselves towards something better. Karate Kid of Jaden Smith, you can watch that. He used that bullying and used it as a power. So learn to accept your flaws and embrace it. And number 3, it starts with A. Guess it. Put it down in the comments below. It's a 6-letter word. I'm going to be giving you 10 seconds. Action. Take action. Action is what made Thomas Alva Edison the Thomas Alva Edison. Action is what made Bruce Lee. And action is what made Michael Jordan the great Michael Jordan. And action is what's going to make you the great. Fill it out for yourself. So take your action. After you assess your weaknesses and you honestly accept that you can put that work weeks, you can put the dedication, then get up, get your ass out of that bed, out of that sofa, out of that chair, and go and do it. So expect first, then assess and do. Remember this formula. Expect, assess, and do. Now get your ass up and take action. If you want mentorship, if you want lessons like this to propel yourself towards your dreams, I advise that you check out the success playlist down below. It's short videos, short quotes, short stories that is going to propel you towards something that is going to make you better every single day. It is filling up every day. Grow with us every day. We are a team of like-minded individuals, and we're growing every single day. And if you want to come along with us, you will also grow every single day. So choose your life. Do you want to stay in dogma, or do you want to take action, aspire, expect, and do? The choice is yours. Choose.